Hello, little math explorers. Today, we're going on a fun adventure with numbers. We're going to learn about adding and subtracting with regrouping. What is regrouping? Regrouping is a special trick that helps us add and subtract bigger numbers. Think of it like trading or borrowing. Imagine you have 10 small blocks. Instead of carrying them one by one, you bundle them into a group of 10. That's what regrouping is. Let's start with addition. Here's a problem. 47 plus 38. Let's break it down. First, we add the ones place. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Oh, 15 is too big for the ones place. We can only keep one digit. So, we keep the 5 in the ones place and carry over the 1 to the tens place. Now, let's add the tens. For tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. But don't forget the 1 we carried over. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So, 47 plus 38 is equal to 85. Now, let's try subtraction. Let's solve. 82 minus 46. First, look at the ones place. 2 minus 6. Oh, we can't take 6 away from 2. What do? We borrow from the tens place. We take 1 10 from the 8, so now we have 7 tens left. That 1 10 turns into 10 ones, and we add it to our 2 ones. Now, we have 12 ones. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now, subtract the tens place. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So, 82 minus 46 is equal to 36. Let's think about it in a fun way. Imagine you have 82 candies and you need to give 46 to a friend. You don't have enough candies in the ones place, so you borrow from the tens. Now, you have enough to share and still keep some candies for yourself. Sweet! Let's practice together. Can you solve these problems? 56 plus 37 equals? 91 minus 45 equals? You got this. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a regrouping master. Remember, when adding, regroup if your sum is 10 or more. When subtracting, borrow if the top number is smaller. Great job today, little math wizards. Keep practicing, and see you next time.